Right. I am young Blazah. What are you doing, man? I am the one and only young Blazah. This is creative. And basically, we're bored. So we're just gonna do whatever. Until we get a life, really. So yeah, I'll be doing vlogs and talking about life. I don't know much more about. I'll be doing speed arts and challenges.
And me, Kaai, I'll be doing editing challenges and vlogs.
You really don't have to mind this, just leave them out. I'm young Blazah. Creative. Anyway, we're gonna eat 3 bird-eye chili. I don't even know if they're hot or not, but yeah, some of us say they are. Anyway,
let's do it. Wait, you first, Mark.
No, do it at the same time. Wait. Don't worry about it. No,
do it, man. No, you have to put all 3. 3, 2, 1, go. Do it. Keep doing it. Is it hot?
Okay, yeah. Fuck me. That's not even fun.
Allow it, man.
I'm gonna get ice cream, man.
I might come. Alright, man, stop, man. Stop.
Fuck me, it's cold, it's nothing cold!
Allow it.
What ice cream is all? I want ice cream.
You're gonna run to the ice cream. Hey, Marcus, man, Hey, Marcus. Hi, I got 2 bird-eye chilies. Yeah, I think they're like the 3rd place, but we couldn't get any other ones, so I'm just gonna do this quickly. Oh, fuck.
Go red.
Look at it. Oh, fuck.
She went very red.
Fuck it, no. Fuck it, open. It's in my throat. Help.
Got a little audience there.
Oh, fuck. That's it. No, stop now.
Why are you holding your head?
I don't know. This should help it. Oh, fuck.
So, after the challenge, see how much of saliva we came out of our mouth? That's the milk, some of it. And that's the whole milk carton. Gone. And so we're lost again.
Walk into the club like, what up? I got a big cock. I'm just pumped. I bought some shit from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn frosty. The people like, damn, that's a cold ass honky.